Hey, it's Stacey here, and today I'm going to tell you some really cool home remedies to get rid of your frizzy hair. So stay tuned. Here's an important tip that a lot of people don't know. What a lot of people don't realize is that the right vitamins are essential for hair growth to give extra nourishment and shine. What you also eat directly impacts your hair and your skin. You need vitamin A, C, B complex, and E. These are very important to have healthy hair. Avocado and yogurt. Mix avocado and yogurt into a smooth paste and apply it to your hair. Wait for about 40 to 45 minutes before washing it off. You can apply this once a week. Avocado will repair the damage and nourish hair, whereas yogurt has conditioning properties. Mayonnaise. Yes, you heard it right. Mayonnaise can also repair the damage. Mix mayonnaise, pure almond oil, and 1 or 2 eggs according to your hair length and volume, making a smooth paste. Apply it generously and wash it after 30 minutes. This will provide shine and nourishment to the hair, and it also adds moisture, which controls the frizz. Egg and almond oil. Combine almond oil and a raw egg to make a mixture. After applying this mixture, wait 40 minutes before rinsing it off with a shampoo. Almond oil nourishes and conditions the hair, while the egg repairs the damage and has a high protein content. Coconut oil along with vitamin E oil. Both the oils should be mixed and applied on the hair. The hair is then washed after 40 minutes. Vitamin E has rich antioxidants that prevent damage, and the coconut oil has properties that condition the hair. Bananas. Mash the banana properly and mix honey and almond oil. Apply this mixture and leave it on your hair for about 20 minutes and then rinse after that. All the ingredients provide deep conditioning to the hair. This will help your frizz. Beer. Yes, you heard me right. The beer has to be decarbonized by letting it sit overnight in a bowl. After washing your hair with shampoo, pour the beer on your hair and massage it onto your scalp. Then rinse the beer off with cold water. Beer restores much moisture and nourishes the hair. This will help your frizz as well. Lemon and honey. Add lemon and honey to a cup of water and then apply it on washed hair. Then massage your scalp for a few minutes and rinse your hair with warm water and shampoo. This will improve the health of the cuticles and boost hair growth. Honey. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 cups of lukewarm water. Apply it on your hair and let it sit on your hair for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it with shampoo. Honey is a great conditioner and it adds shine and lightens the hair. It also is less time consuming. Yogurt and honey. Add a tablespoon of honey to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add this mixture on your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse with water. The mixture of both conditions and moisturizes the hair. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of water. First, wash your hair with shampoo, then rinse your hair with diluted vinegar. Leave it in for a few minutes before rinsing it off. Apple cider vinegar adds shine and it helps your hair retain moisture. Aloe vera gel. Combine 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel and carrier oil. Apply this to your entire length and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it with shampoo. Aloe vera, along with carrier oil, forms a layer over your hair strands that prevent moisture loss. Coconut milk. Heat the coconut milk until it's warm and then apply it to the hair. Shampoo your hair after 30 minutes. Coconut milk repairs the damaged hair and makes your hair smooth. Massage your hair with hot oil. A hot oil massage is the easiest and most convenient way to deal with frizzy hair. Oil prevents the hair from drying up and provides nourishment, thus making it frizz-free. I hope you enjoyed these great tips, and I hope you'll try out some of these great DIY home remedies at home. Let me know how they work for you. Leave a message in the comment box. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications so when we come out with great new videos, you'll be the first one to see them.